everyone. Welcome to my channel, Love What You Do by Marie, and I'm Marie. All right, everyone, I have some really awesome DIYs for you today. I am so happy about bringing these to you, all of you, and I just had such a good time making these DIYs. I really did. I was like, oh my God, these are great. Have you ever did a DIY that is really good and you're just like, I did that, didn't I? Dang. You're all excited about it. Well, that's how I feel with these DIYs. Thank you. I'm just like, wow, this looks great. So I really wanted to just bring them all to you. If you are new to my channel, hi, how are you? Let's all be friends here because this is a friendly zone right here, okay? I hope you guys are staying safe though. Stay safe in this troubled time. And watch my videos. What else do you have to do, right? So do not forget to like this video and please subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos of all the awesome things that I'm going to be doing. Yep. All right, so without further ado, let's get started on these DIYs. I will leave full descriptions on where I got things and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how I did all these wonderful DIYs, just keep watching. Alrighty, so I purchased this wood heart at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just, right now you see me taking off the little rope off of there, and now I'm going to be measuring it. So you need to measure it into 4 sections, that way you can paint it. So I'm just using a pencil here. You want to make sure that you're using a pencil because if you use anything else, like if you make a mistake like I did, just make sure that you use a pencil. That way you can erase it later. All right, so now I am taking my painter's tape and I am just taping it off the section that I'm going to be using it in. And like I said, this color right here that you see me using it is actually a color that I got at Home Depot, and I just had them mix the color for me. I like to think this is like a dupe for the ballerina by Waverly. And now I don't want to wait forever, so I blow dried it, and as you can see, it blow dries just wonderful. So use a blow dryer. Now I'm taking off my painter's tape and look at those lines. Nice. So I'm just also doing it again. I'm now going to paint it in the gray color. And again, I just had to match it for me when I went to Home Depot. And I am doing the trusty blow drying again because that works. And as you can see, there's no paint on my hands. Alright, I'm just taking off the tape right here. Look how pretty it's all coming out. Oh my gosh, I love the way this is. And here's a good thing about this is you can literally use this like all year round. Now, as you can see right here, I did not put the painter's tape down. I'm just very carefully making sure that I have the lines correct, and as you can see, I do. Now I'm taking a sander. I'm kind of distressing it a little bit, making it look more like a faded look. I purchased this also at Home Depot. I love me some Home Depot. So yeah, just like that, get that done. Now I'm taking this brush and I'm just distressing it. I also purchased this at the Dollar Tree. Did you guys know they had this kind of brush at the Dollar Tree? Because I didn't. So I'm just literally just distressing it, putting some of that white flat chalk paint, and I'm going all around the heart, and look how pretty it turned out. Very nice. So now these hearts I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I got them in very numerous of colors. I got them in a black and a gray, which you can see right there. And I'm going to be using the pink and the gray. And I decided I was not going to do pink and white. I was going to do white flowers on the pink heart, and then on the gray heart I was going to do the pink flowers. So this is just me gluing it all down. Make sure you glue it down really nice and good because you do not want that to come up later. Look how pretty that turned out. Now I'm taking the mop from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to put it on the lines to make it look more rustic and more like just more chic, you know what I mean? Just more chic. So now, oh, and then you see this silicone little spatula that I'm using? I actually got that idea to use that from another YouTuber on here. It's called Hot Humble Pie. I really love watching her videos. She really has a lot of great ideas. So I saw that and I was like, I'm totally gonna use that. Now, moving on. So I will link her a video down below just so you guys can like subscribe to her channel because she has really wonderful ideas. Look how awesome that turned out. Don't you love it? Because I do. Now, I'm taking some of this Raffa twine that I purchased at Michael's, and I'm just making bows. I'm gluing them down, and it's really easy to make bows. You just wrap it around your finger and then tie it off. That's all you do. Look how beautiful that turned out. Don't you love it? Because I do. I think it just looks so pretty. Now I'm taking a little bit of that twine and I'm putting it in each of the holes so that I can hang my beautiful, lovely hat. Look how gorgeous that turned out. I am so pleased as punch. Okay, so for the next project, I saw this pillow at Hobby Lobby, and this was like $15.99. I was not about to pay that much, so I said, I'm gonna make it myself. So, right here, I went and purchased fabric at Hobby Lobby. You guys, I love Hobby Lobby's fabric, and they always have good deals, so make sure you're getting your fabric at Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna start cutting it right now, as you can see, and I'm not really taking any measurements here. I'm literally just eyeballing it, but I'm cutting on the line where the squares are. I'm using that as my guide. Oh, my big forehead, guys. I'm sorry, I have a 5 head. Move out of the way, 5 head. So now I am hot gluing it because I realized that, you know what, a lot of people do not know how to sew, and so I was like, let me make this as easy as possible. Yeah, I may know how to sew, but some people don't, so let me make it as easy as possible. So what you're going to do, get it on the side that you want. I realized that it's all the same pattern on both sides, so I was like, it's fine. So I'm just turning it inside out so I can stuff my pillow. Now, this right here I purchased at, Joann's. When you see this, get it. You usually have it around Christmas time. Pick it up because it's the best. Now I'm just stuffing my pillow. I'm making sure I'm getting deep inside. Now I am taking a stencil. I'm using my burlaps that I also purchased at Hobby Lobby. And I'm gluing it on. And I decided to make a little heart there as well. Look how cute that is. Loving it. Now, right here, I realized that I had like a little twine going around, so I just put it there already automatically. What do you guys think? Okay, so up next, we're going to change this ordinary picture frame into something more vintagey. I'm going to keep, of course, Marilyn inside the picture, but I think it would look so much better if we give it a little rustic look to it. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take out my frame, out of the picture and everything like that, and I'm going to start sanding it down. Make sure that you sand it down because this is like a plasticky kind of frame, and if you don't sand it down, the paint won't stick on it. Well, it'll just slide off. So I'm taking that exact same paint that I used for my other project, the dupe for Waverly Ballerina, and I'm just painting my entire frame with that color, and it's doing great. Also, I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm blow drying it away. I made a little boo-boo right there, but don't worry because it makes it look like a very more distressed look, which I like. Now I'm taking that same white flat chalk paint and I'm just taking my brush that I purchased at the Dollar Tree and I'm just brushing it in certain parts, in certain areas, making sure to give it a more weathered, more antique, vintagey kind of look, making it look all nice. Okay, so I'm taking my scissors here and I'm just doing a couple scratches here and there so I can make it look like it has a more old, antique-ish look. And I really love the way that turned out. That looks old. That looks very old. It looks like I got it in the junkyard. Now I'm taking some flowers that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree and I'm just placing them where I want them. And I'm taking that exact same hearts that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to place them on both ends using the pink one and the gray one. Alrighty, so when you're doing this, you want to make sure that do you see how it's kind of like in an upside down L, and now this one is an L? So you want to just make sure that you're making it on both sides an L shape. Now I'm going to be making some bows. If, like I said before, to make bows are really simple. You just tie it around your 3 fingers and you just tie it together. And there is your bows. So I'm also going to be placing that the same way that I did my other one, my other craft, is I'm just going to place the bows right in the middle of the heart. You're going to see that in just a minute. See, just like that. And this makes it look so much more better. Like, it just gives it that really cute, pretty country look, and I love it. Make sure you make it on there really good. Look how nice that already turned out. So I wasn't really satisfied. I said, I can do more. So I took some of that same Raffa twine and I just had it underneath. As you can see, it's underneath it, and that's it. Makes it look really, really nice. Alrighty, I hope you guys all love those 3 DIYs. I really enjoyed making them for you, and they just turned out so good. I am like wowed by it. I really love the picture frame. I thought it was just like, because I love Marilyn. Marilyn's my absolute favorite. So my whole vanity is like covered in Marilyn. So one day I'm gonna have to give you a detour on a tour on that. You guys are gonna love it. Anyway, but thank you so very much for watching these. Do not forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. It helps my channel to grow and it helps you to learn really nice decor around your house. So thank you very much for watching this video, and everyone have a wonderful and awesome day. And if nobody has told you today, know your worth, because you are worth it. Thank you. God bless.